Hi YouTube, AJ here with Dance Sing Joy, Flossie 187, not sure who that fox is, and Sheep787, aka Sheep787AJ. Okay, this fox is Bunny Paul Bartic Wolf. Anyway, I just wanted to make a random shout-out video and all that. This person is awesome and has 10 more subs than me because I just got another sub from this person. BT Dubs love, and I mean love, the picture thingy. Like, look at the kitty. It's like. Anywhoosies, yeah, this isn't much of a video. I'm just saying that, oh, BT Dubs, he's making a video too, I guess, so, yeah, maybe one time I can, I don't know if I'll be allowed, but possibly I would ask if I'm allowed to Skype with this person to make a video with just the two of us. Yeah. Swag. Anyway, so yeah, also, I'm posting this video because if anyone wants anything on my trade list, anything at all, then feel free to, okay, I'm willing to trade for this bow, or any color headdress at all. Even the least rarest one. I really don't care as long as it's a headdress because I'm kind of obsessed. Anyway, yeah guys, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. And wait. Party my den. You can come for the next while. Okay. My den's unlocked. My doorbell's on, sound's on, and you're welcome to come to my den. I hope this video uploads quick, and anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.